In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's straw page. So there's actually multiple ways to do this. Now, first, you want to go to your dashboard, and then in here, as you can see, you have your straw pages, and you can find a different person's straw page if you know their link. So for example, mine over here is ihtyoutube.straw.page, and if I, for example, were to go to a different one, I can just change this link, for example, tutorial lad over here.straw.page, and if I go and press enter, it's going to go to that specific page over here, which is just another page of mine. Okay, so that's how we can find someone's straw page. That's the first way. So by just basically typing in the link .straw.page, and you got it. So you have to ask a person what their straw page link is. They'll tell you, and you can find it that way. That's the first way. The second one is by following. Okay, so here you can see following. You could go ahead and click on plus over here. It's going to pop up this, and you could go and type in the name or the username of their straw page. So tutorial lad, again, they have to give you this over here. This is the username of your straw page. Type it in, press plus, it's going to flash green, it's going to be following it. You can click on it, and as you can see here, I now have found someone, or in this case my site. Okay, now that's essentially how you do it. And of course you could go to like forums, maybe Reddit. They do have a Reddit, I do believe, and then on there you can find different people. You can ask them for their username, and you can basically find their straw pages that way as well. And on Twitter, I assume they also shared over there, etc. So that's essentially how to find someone's straw page. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.